BestCode Continuous Innovations. Industry-changing, forward-thinking, innovative industrial printing designs for a broad range of industries and applications produced by the BestCode Group for over 25 years. BestCode Continuous Ink Jet printing systems print real-time, best before, lot codes, sell-by, expiration dates, and other identifying marks and codes on industrial and consumer goods to ensure product traceability and identification. Thousands of BestCode systems are installed around the world, printing high-quality, reliable codes and marks on every substrate imaginable. Examples of BestCode printing are found everywhere in our daily lives. Virtually any product produced today requires a real-time manufacturing code or mark. Designed and manufactured in the USA, BestCode product designs are focused on ease of use, trouble-free operation, long-term reliability, and affordable cost of ownership with an emphasis on global market requirements. BestCode's complete range of printing systems ensure a solution is available for your specific coding and marking requirements. System offerings include entry-level, affordable options through mid-range capabilities and high-end, highly specialized engineered solutions focused on the highest speed, most sophisticated applications. Specialized solutions include the ultra-high-speed system, which exceeds the requirements for the highest speed bottling, canning, wire, and cable production lines around the world. Print 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 lines of real-time text, barcodes, graphics, logos, and other identifying codes and marks. BestCode systems provide true non-contact printing, enabling simple setup and operation. The industrial all-metal stainless steel enclosure provides protection for the most extreme wet and dry environments. A broad range of quick to immediate dry, permanent printing inks are offered in a variety of colors. A library of specialist inks are offered for unique applications, including white and other color pigmented inks for dark-colored substrates, color change inks, invisible UV red inks, high-temperature inks, edible food-grade direct-to-food inks, caustic removable inks, and many others. BestCode systems are simplified to allow anyone to operate, minimizing operator touches, extending time between human interaction, and lowering total cost of ownership. Every BestCode printing system features a large, always-on color touch screen, offering a vivid display of large intuitive buttons and status indicators. A one-touch, single-step user interface reduces operator steps with a true WYSIWYG environment, and drag-and-drop field-based message operation providing the most realistic view to create print messages. The Auto-Off Go Home button automates time-consuming end-of-day manual cleaning routines by automatically cleaning the print head and powering the system off, eliminating daily and weekly cleanings. Large-volume multi-liter ink tanks extend time between fluid additions to weeks or months, even in high-volume, demanding print applications. No ink waste and on-the-fly ink filling ensure every drop is printed. Ink filling is accomplished without opening the enclosure while print operation continues without interruption. Remote connectivity with RS-232, multiple programmable inputs and outputs, and optional Ethernet is available for remote control via PC, web browser, HMI, PLC, network, and other devices. Systems are protected by Code Protect, BestCode's warranty and support, providing a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. As you can see, the closer you look, the better BestCode looks. BestCode offers a broad range of coding and marking solutions to ensure you receive the right printing system and ink for your marking and coding requirement. For more detailed information and specifications, visit BestCode on the web at www.bestcode.co. And be sure to follow BestCode on social media.